Creating an opt-in form doesn't have to cost a thing. You can start collecting emails without paying for fancy software. One easy way is to use MailerLite's free plan to build a simple form and link it directly to your subscriber group. Many beginners think you need expensive tools to get started with opt-in forms, but that's not the case. With MailerLite's free plan, you can have a form ready in minutes. Just create the form, add an email field, choose your subscriber group, and you are collecting emails. You can also do this in System.io or other free tools. But sticking to one platform makes setup much easier when you're just starting out. If you want to move even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder walks you through which free tools to use, provides ready-to-go templates, and includes AI prompts so your opt-in form plugs right into a complete faceless funnel. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything you need to build a faceless email funnel, from forms to funnels to ready to use AI prompts. Check the link in the description to get started today.